Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my video today. Thank you for all of your support, subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell notification icon, and all those beautiful thumbs ups you give my videos. Thank you very much. I got a story about the Carnival Fantasy cruise ship. It's the oldest ship Carnival has. Very few balconies on this ship. She's on a 10-day journey right now through the Panama Canal, Roatan, Cozumel. She's based out of Mobile. She was entering these locks yesterday, and you'll notice on the side there are these railroad tracks. Those are used by these locomotives. You can see down at the bottom here. The locomotives will pull cruise ships and other ships into the locks and get them set for when the water is raised or lowered. In the case of the Fantasy, she was brought into the lock, the water level began to drop, and the back of the ship here has this balcony area sticking out of the side of it, and the ship was not aligned properly from front to back. She was offline just a little bit, and that was enough for the side of the ship at the very back to get caught on the lock as she was dropping down. And, well, handrails were damaged, glass broken and shattered, the deck was warped out of shape a little bit, but luckily nobody was on this deck when it happened. Nobody got injured, nobody got hurt. The ship is seaworthy. You can see at the back of the ship there where the area that was sticking out the side there got caught on the lock. The ship is continuing on her voyage. She's going right now to Puerto Limon, and then to Roatan, and then back to over to Cozumel and back to Mobile. The trip continues, 10-day cruise, all is well. The people will have a wonderful time. Anyway, that's the story from Carnival Cruise Line and the Panama Canal. The insurance company will be called. Crews will be waiting in Mobile to repair the ship when she gets back. And we'll stay on top of the story if anything else occurs. Thanks for joining me with Traveling with Bruce. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.